Hey, guys! Hope so you all are doing well. Please subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed it. Find the ratio of 15 kilograms to 210 grams. We know it already that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams, then 15 kilograms is equal to 15 into 1000, which is equal to 15,000 grams. To find the ratio, divide 15,000 by 210. Cancel 0 with 0, we get 1500 divide 21. Divide 1521 by 3, we get 500 divide 7. Which is a required ratio.